Throughout the year, families get together to celebrate different holidays. It's a lot of fun. We get to know and value each other and make memories together. But for deaf children, spending holidays with family isn't easy. We decided to ask the deaf staff members of AASD how they had fun with their families during the holidays when they were growing up. My family included me by deciding our annual family Christmas theme, and we would dress accordingly. They would include me in choosing our theme. For example, this year I chose the theme of wearing plaid clothes. That's how they kept me involved in family activities. When I was growing up, I didn't know ASL. I mostly spoke, but I wasn't able to hear everything that was said. Fortunately, my family understood that, and someone would turn to me and slowly explain what was being said. That helped me fill in the gaps. When it came time to cook the holiday meal, I'd ask my grandmother and my mom to let me help. It was always nice to be involved. When she found out my sister was deaf, my mother learned ASL. Everyone signed at our house. Plus, we could always ask Mom to explain what was being said. We enjoyed family dinners. My family would play games that didn't require verbal communication. For example, we'd play kickball outside the house, and we really enjoyed each other. When we visited my parents' families, they would always include me by doing their best to fingerspell, use signs, speak slowly, or gesture to me. Also, if family members started speaking, my mother, aunt, or someone else would explain the discussion to me. I felt like I was a part of it. It wasn't perfect, but I felt like I was a part of the family. We drew our family tree and included pictures and the names of my family members. I could clearly see where I fit into the family. Also, knowing who the family members were led to sharing stories of how each person belongs. The more stories I knew about them, the more connected I felt to my family. My family always made sure we had cards around so that we could play spades. I actually come from a deaf family. For me, the holidays were always enjoyable. When I was a college student, I might invite a friend to come home with me for the Thanksgiving holiday, and they would always comment on how easy it was because they could communicate. I have good memories. At my family's get-togethers, we would have a guessing game with the gifts. I would choose a package and carefully read the name to everyone. For example, I might say, "This one's for my uncle or my brother." And then I would guess what might be in the box. That made it fun for me, guessing the name and guessing what was inside. It was really nice. When it comes to family gatherings, I have to thank my mom. Our family stands in a circle and holds hands for a prayer, but my mother doesn't hold hands. Instead, she interprets the prayer for me. Then we go around and each person says what they're thankful for, and my mom interprets for each person. And when it's my turn, Mom speaks to them what I signed. I love my mama. My family doesn't sign fluently, but they do know some basic signs. When our family plays games or does something together, they write things down for me or draw a picture or gesture what they're trying to communicate to me. And when I understand, I teach them to sign it in ASL. Playing games together brings a family really close. I'm deaf, and when I was 8, I was still learning ASL. I can remember once sitting in a circle with my parents, 3 brothers, and my sister, and not understanding anything they said. My mom saw that I was frustrated, and she felt sorry for me. That's when she knew the whole family needed to learn to sign. They took classes together and learned some basic vocabulary like the alphabet, mother, father, sister, brother, dinner time, bedtime, things like that. The following Thanksgiving, we were sitting around again, and everyone used their signs. I understood what they were talking about, and I felt so special. I hope the stories from our staff help you to include your deaf family member in the fun. And from all of us at AASD, happy holidays.